Myself Ganesh Chaitanya, and this is the segment 2 of data science with business intelligence. As we can see, the data which we have chosen is analyze the Netflix dataset and build the visualization using Power BI. And introduction, when coming to the introduction, we all know what is Netflix. It is nothing but a web and app-based application in which we can browse the movies, a series, TV shows, documentaries, etc. And these platforms has so many things to offer for the users that can be analyzed to understand entertainment trends, content strategies, audiences, preference, and global distribution patterns. In Netflix, using Netflix dataset, we are going to analyze how has Netflix grown over the years, which type of shows, dominate the platform, which countries produce the most titles, what genres are trending globally, and what ratings are most common on the Netflix, how long are Netflix movies on average, how many sessions seasons to TV shows have. The dataset theoretically understanding how we are going to understand what's the dataset containing is nothing but the important theoretical concepts from the dataset are classification of the content. Since we don't have a similar type of dataset, since we have movies, series, TV shows, documentaries, etc. Then we're going to classify the country-based categorization, such as global, cultural, regional, Netflix, international partnerships. Then we are going to be categories based on genre and category analysis. Genres have drama, comedy, documentary, action, kids, family, international content, crime TV, reality shows. And we're going to and the fourth point on which we're going to categorize is different ratings theory, then duration and seasons theory, then comes release year theory. Theoretical data meaning concepts. We have uh, in this we're going to handle null values, then splitting multiple values of multiple value field, formatting data types, removing duplicates, and these are the four things which we are going to use for data cleaning purpose. Then comes the visualization of the Power BI. This is how we are going to visualize the Netflix dataset in the Power BI. We can see the total count is 6,137, in which we have 3,831 movies and 2,006 number of shows. Then with an average runtime of 76 minutes and almost an average rating of 6 point, an average rating of 6.5. Then comes, uh, then we have how the total number of movies and shows have been increased throughout the years. Then top five nations which the consume, how many based on the genre categorization, like how much percentage of genre the actions have, like that. Then we have average of runtime by each classifications. Yep. This board summarizes how the data visualization has been done. The Netflix dataset, then the movies versus TV show comparison, content growth over years, what I haven't said. Then what I was saying, these are things which are there. Country distributions, genre distributions, rating distributions, dis- duration and season analysis, theoretical dashboard design principles. We have simplicity with relevance, interactivity, mirror, simplicity, relevance, interactivity, detailed insights, content strategy insights, globalization insight, audience, targeting insight, genre insight, and the timeline insights. These are five detailed insights which have been taken from the Netflix visualization like, through Power BI. Then the conclusion is about analyzing the Netflix dataset in Power BI using strong visualization theory reveals how Netflix's global content strategy has evolved. Power BI enables powerful data transformation, cleaning, and dashboard creation to highlight trends in country contributions and genre preferences, ratings, distributions, and duration patterns and yearly growth. Through this analysis, it becomes clear that Netflix expands aggressively after 2015, produces and buys content globally, and focuses more on movies than TV shows, primarily targets adult and young audience or young adult audiences, and prefers data-heavy, story-driven genres, follows standard length formats for movies. This theoretical and visual analysis helps understand how Netflix design its content library, and what patterns guide its decision making is. This is how the visualization of the Netflix dataset has been done. And yeah, Netflix is one of the biggest player in the entertainment industry, and analyzing it gives us how on which genre the audience have more percentage, like which audience like to watch more. And yeah, this is the analysis part of the Netflix dataset. This completes the sub. Thank you, everyone.